strong and well fed. H is for house, where you live and play. H is for hand, waving hello today. H, it's full of cheer, so many H words we can hear. H, let's sing and say some words that start with H today. H is for heart, full of love and care. H is for hill, standing tall in the air. H is for hen, laying eggs just right. H is for hop, jump with all your might. H, it's full of cheer, so many H words we can hear.